Imagine walking into your home and things just happen. The curtains glide open on their own. The air smells fresh. The lights adjust automatically. The coffee starts brewing before you even reach the kitchen. It sounds like science fiction, but today it's simply called a smart home. In this video, we're looking at smart home gadgets that feel like magic. These are devices that quietly work in the background to make life easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Let's begin. The first one might make you feel like you're living in a luxury hotel. Smart curtain openers. Instead of pulling your curtains every morning, these small motorized devices do it for you. You can set them on a schedule so your curtains open at sunrise and close automatically in the evening. Imagine waking up to natural sunlight without touching anything. It's a simple change, but once you experience it, going back to manual curtains feels ancient. Next up is a tiny device with a surprisingly big impact. Smart plugs with energy monitoring. These plugs turn ordinary appliances into smart devices. Plug in a fan, a lamp, or even your TV, and suddenly you can control them from your phone. But the real magic is the energy tracking. You can see exactly how much electricity each device is using. It's like giving your home a built-in power detective. Many people discover hidden energy drains they never noticed before. Now imagine turning your memories into living decor. Smart photo frames. Unlike traditional frames that hold one photo forever, smart photo frames display thousands of images in rotation. Family photos, travel memories, favorite moments, all displayed beautifully on a digital screen. Some frames even update automatically when new photos are uploaded from your phone. Your wall literally becomes a living photo album. Let's talk about a gadget that sounds futuristic but is incredibly practical. Window cleaning robots. Cleaning windows is one of those chores nobody enjoys. It's awkward, time-consuming, and sometimes even dangerous. Window cleaning robots attach to the glass and move across the surface while scrubbing it clean. You simply place it on the window, press a button, and watch it glide around like a tiny robotic cleaner. Your windows get spotless while you do absolutely nothing. Next, something many people overlook. Smart light switches. Instead of replacing all your bulbs, these switches make your existing lights smart. You can control them from your phone, set schedules, or even turn lights on automatically when you walk into a room. And here's the magical part. Imagine leaving home and wondering if you left the lights on. With a smart switch, you simply check your phone and turn them off instantly. Problem solved. Now let's move into comfort. Smart heated blankets. These blankets warm up automatically and let you control the temperature from your phone. Some even learn your sleeping patterns and adjust warmth throughout the night. On a cold evening, imagine climbing into a bed that's already perfectly warm. It's a small luxury that feels incredibly futuristic. Speaking of comfort, mornings can also get a smart upgrade. Smart coffee makers. Instead of stumbling into the kitchen half awake, your coffee can start brewing automatically. You can schedule it the night before or start it from your phone while still in bed. For coffee lovers, this feels like having a personal barista who knows exactly when you wake up. Let's shift to home security. Window and door sensors. These tiny sensors monitor whether doors and windows are opened or closed. If something opens unexpectedly, you instantly get an alert on your phone. They're simple devices, but they add a powerful layer of protection to your home. And the best part? Installation usually takes just a few minutes. Next is one of the most satisfying upgrades you can make. Smart door locks. No more digging through pockets for keys. Smart locks let you unlock your door using a code, your phone, or even your fingerprint. Some models automatically unlock when you arrive home. It feels like your house recognizes you. Now imagine your windows becoming fully automated. Smart blinds. These blinds open and close on a schedule or based on sunlight. They can help keep rooms cooler during hot afternoons or let natural light in during the morning. Besides convenience, they can even help save energy by reducing the need for air conditioning. Your home quietly adjusts itself throughout the day. Let's talk about something that affects every breath you take. Smart air purifiers. These devices monitor the air quality inside your home and remove pollutants, dust, and allergens. Some models automatically adjust their power depending on how clean the air is. It's like having a silent guardian constantly working to keep the air around you healthy. Right next to that is another air comfort gadget, smart humidifiers. Dry air can cause headaches, skin irritation, and poor sleep. Smart humidifiers automatically maintain the ideal humidity level in your home. Once set up, they adjust themselves without you needing to do anything. Your home stays comfortable all day and night. Now, here's something a little unexpected. Smart fragrance diffusers. These devices fill your home with pleasant scents, but they do it intelligently. You can schedule when fragrances release or adjust intensity through an app. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by the perfect scent every time. It's a small detail that completely changes the atmosphere. Next is something increasingly important as electric cars become more common. Smart Level 2 EV chargers. These chargers power electric vehicles much faster than standard outlets. But the smart features are where things get interesting. You can track charging sessions, schedule charging when electricity is cheaper, and monitor energy usage directly from your phone. Your car charges overnight while you sleep. Now we move into one of the most popular smart home gadgets ever created, robot vacuum and mop combos. These devices vacuum your floors and then mop them automatically. They map your home, avoid obstacles, and clean room by room. Many even return to their docking station to recharge on their own. Imagine coming home to freshly cleaned floors every day without lifting a finger. It genuinely feels like magic. And finally, something for the outdoors, smart irrigation controllers. Traditional sprinkler systems run on fixed schedules, often watering plants when they don't need it. Smart irrigation systems check weather conditions, soil moisture, and temperature before watering. That means your garden gets exactly the water it needs, no more, no less. Healthier plants, lower water bills, and zero guesswork. When you look at all these gadgets together, something interesting happens. Your home starts behaving almost like a living system. Lights adjust automatically, curtains move on schedule, floors clean themselves, air stays fresh, coffee brews on its own. It's not magic, but it definitely feels like it. And as smart home technology continues evolving, the line between everyday living and futuristic convenience keeps getting thinner. So, the question is, which of these smart home gadgets would you add to your home first? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering these amazing smart home innovations, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible gadgets that make everyday life smarter.